A throw pillow nowadays can cost you anywhere between $40 to $100. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own for only $15. I got this speedsew fabric glue at my local Walmart for $5.96. And then I also got this nice pretty shirt that we're going to use as the pillow cover for $9.99 at Value Village. For the pillow, I just found this in my linen closet. It's old, it's dirty, it's not being used. So to get started, here's an overview of the supplies I will be using. First, I'm going to form my pillow insert to the desired shape. And now I'm just going to be cutting off the excess fabric and taking out excess fluff. Once I have the desired shape, I'll add some pins before gluing. Now I'll generously apply speedsew fabric glue and remove the pins as I go. Once that is done, I will lay the t-shirt out flat and cut along the seams with fabric scissors to separate the front and the back. Next, I will fold back the fabric just about 1/2 inch, then iron that down to form a crease. Fast forward, I cut down all the iron fabric to 1/2 inch, as you can see here. And now I am laying down the front piece of my pillow face up and placing the back piece face down. I'll be gluing around the edges, lightly dabbing and spreading the glue, before folding the fabric over and securing it with pins. So here's our new cute little pillow size that I speed sewed, as you can see here. And then we got our little pillowcase. It's all dried up now, so I'm just gonna remove all the pins around the pillowcase. This took about, I would say, 10 minutes to dry. Instead of using a zipper, we just kept the buttons of the shirt because we thought they would add a nice detail. So I'm just gonna undo those, turning the pillowcase inside out. I'm just gonna make sure I put my fingers in the corners. There we go. Let's plop the pillow in. So now I'm just gonna do them all up again. Look at this. This is a really great way to upcycle clothes. So there we go. New pillow for $15. Hey, time to switch out pillows. Take this guy, throw it over here. Thanks, speedsew.